So we're out at a wastewater treatment plant today. The reason for our visit is to look over a fiberglass cabinet we're getting ready to replace this particular unit with. We're also replacing the sampler at the same time. We're sticking with the same sampler. The client was able to get enough money in the budget for this particular unit. The old unit that we're looking at right here has extensive damage in it. You can see the coloring on the brass. The electronics on this are actually compromised. I've had multiple failures on it due to the hydrogen sulfide causing some issues. So anyway, but this is, I just thought I'd show you this real quick. This is a quick look at what hydrogen sulfide can do. When it turns from a gas into sulfuric acid, it just corrodes everything. You can see in the bottom, this particular unit actually, there's just about nothing left of it. It's all delaminated and coming up. So we're going to go inspect the new unit that just got here, the cabinet that is. The actual sampler has not arrived. There's still about another week out on that, but I had the opportunity today to swing by here after I replaced a ultrasonic transmitter. So just thought I'd show you real quick what the Campbell scientific sampler is. Really, for the number of years that this has been exposed to the sulfuric acid, it's doing pretty well. These things are tanks. This is the unit we're going to be replacing the existing cabinet with. This is a fiberglass gel-coated enclosure, standard T-handle with a lock, spacing for the venting inside. As you can see, this thing is really thick, which is fantastic for the insulation properties. It's also got double gasketing and a floor. So looking forward to seeing this put together.